Hi guys, this is your YouTube friend from the LYT Mode channel. Following is the video of our computer awareness series pertaining to the RBI Assistant examination. So let's take deep dive into it. Question number 1. What is an external hardware output device that takes the electronic data stored on a computer or other device and generates a hard copy of it? So the right answer of this question is printer. Let me tell you something about the history of various computer. So initially there was mechanical printer. This was invented by Charles Babbage for the use with difference engine. Then came the dot matrix printer. This printer was created by IBM something like in the year 1957. Then came the inkjet printer. Inkjet printers are similar to dot matrix printer in that the images they create are composed of dots. Then came the laser printer. This was invented by Gary in 1970s. And finally came the 3D printer. And this is the important point. It was created by Chuck Hull in 1984. So you can see that since 1984 3D printer has been invented. 3D printers work by taking a digital blueprint of an object and reproducing it layer by layer using various materials such as plastic and metal alloys. We will see more about 3D printing in the next question. 3D printing or additive manufacturing is a process of making 3D solid objects from a digital file. Name the process through which a 3D model is divided into hundreds or thousands of horizontal layers. So the right answer is slicing. You can see in the picture that how from a digital file a three-dimensional solid object has been created. So as I told you that 3D printers work by taking a digital blueprint of an object and reproducing it layer by layer using various materials such as plastic and metal alloys. And 3D printing was invented something like in 1984, but as of 2019, the precision, repeatability and material range have increased to the point that some 3D printing process like this, some 3D printing process are considered viable as an industrial production technology, whereby the term additive manufacturing. So you have to remember this term. This can be asked in the exam. Additive manufacturing can be used synonymously with 3D printing. Okay, one of the key advantages of 3D printing is the ability to produce very complex shapes. So friends, it has the ability to produce very complex shapes or geometries, including hollow parts or parts with internal truss structure to reduce weight. So we can see that 3D printing is revolutionizing the world. So let us move to the next question. Dash is a reference to data that the user can follow by clicking or tapping. So you have to tell the answer. So the right answer is both link and hyperlink. Both is a reference to data that the user can follow by clicking or tapping. Let me tell you some facts about hyperlink. So friends, Tim Berners-Lee, we will see some more facts about this person in the later question. This person is the inventor of WWW, World Wide Web. This person first saw the possibility of using hyperlinks to link any information to any other information over the internet. Okay. So the hyperlink were therefore integral to the creation of www, okay, and web pages are written in the HTML. So any web pages on the internet are written in the HTML language. Here the full form of HTML is hypertext. This is also very important terms. You have to remember these things. Hypertext markup language. Okay. Now if we see that any hyperlink, how any hyperlink looks in an HTML code. So if any web pages is written in HTML code, so this is the fact that hyperlink will be there in HTML code. So this is written something like this. So the hyperlink starts with an opening tag like this, and it will end with something like this. Okay, so you have to remember these all facts. These are very important facts. Moving on to the next question. Question number 4. Which award is often referred to as the Nobel Prize of Computing? It carries a $1 million US dollar prize with financial support provided by Google. It is Turing Award, Fields Award, Berners Award, or Kentucky Award. So the right person is Turing Award, and the winner of this award recently was the same person I discussed a question previously. This person is Tim Berners-Lee. Tim Berners-Lee, the inventor and creator of World Wide Web. So let's see some more facts about this person, because this is very important. This is the core of computer knowledge. To make his proposed information sharing system work, Berners-Lee invented several integrated tools that underpin the World Wide Web, WWW. So here is the first full form, URI, Uniform Resource Identifier. You can read the definition by yourself. Then HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. It allows for the exchange, retrieval, or transfer of any object over the internet. Then there is web browser and HTML that allows web browsers to translate documents or other resources and render them as multimedia pages. Berners-Lee launched the world's first website on August 6, 1991. So you can see how this person is very important, Tim Berners-Lee. Moving on to the next question. DAS is a component of computer's central processing unit, CPU, that directs the operation of the processor. So what do you think? What will be the answer of this question? So the right answer of this question will be control unit, option B. So you can see the picture of control unit. So in this picture you can see there is ALU. ALU means arithmetic logic unit. There is a memory, input output unit, which consists input unit and output unit, and there is this control unit. So friends, the ALU performs simple addition. This ALU performs simple addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and logic operations like AND, OR, NAND, such as, and the memory, the memory stores the program's instructions and data. The control unit fetches data and instructions from memory and uses operations of the ALU to carry out those instructions using that data. And one more important fact, that the control unit and ALU together are referred as CPU, central processing unit. And let me tell you again about this picture, that 1 minute. Okay, Now, when an input or output instruction is encountered, the control unit transfers the data between the memory and design input-output controller. The operational speed of the CPU, so the operational speed of any CPU primarily determines the speed of the computer as a whole. So you can see, at its most fundamental level, a computer consists of a control unit, ALU, memory unit, and input-output controllers. So these were very important concepts. You have to remember that. Moving on to the next question. So you can see we have very good questions for you in this video series. Question number 6. In modern computers, the CPU is contained on an integrated circuit chip called a DAS. So the right answer, can you guess what will be the right answer? Okay, right answer will be microprocessor. So in modern computers, CPU is contained on an integrated circuit chip called a microprocessor. So you can see in the picture that this is a microprocessor and everything CPU is stored in this chip. Moving on, which of the following is not a logical function? AND, OR, dot, or not? So the right answer is dot. Dot is not a logic function. So AND is the dot, it tells about the dot product, like 1 and 0 will be 0 because AND tells about the multiplication dot, and OR tells about the additive feature, like 1 or 0 will be 1. Okay, and NOT is the complementary nature, like 1 NOT. NOT, we can, this is represented like this. So 1 NOT, or we can also tell as NOT 1 is equal to 0, or 0 NOT is equal to 1. Okay, 1 NOT is equal to 0, 0 NOT is equal to 1. Moving on to the next question. This question is from MS Excel. In MS Excel, ribbon refers to the topmost area of the application that contains menu items and toolbars available in the MS Excel. Ribbon can be shown hidden using dash. So you have to tell that what will be the right answer. So the right answer will be option A, Control plus F1. So the ribbon runs on the top of the application, that is MS Excel, and is the replacement for the toolbars and menus. The ribbons have various tabs on the top, and each tab has its own group of commands. Okay, so let us move to the next question. Question number 9. In MS Excel, dashes are used for iterating over a group of tasks. So what will be the right answer? The right answer will be macro. So macro are used for iterating over a group of tasks. If we see about the parts of macro, they are XLM and VBA. Earlier versions of Excel used XLM. VBA means that is Visual Basic Applications. VBA was introduced in Excel 5 and mostly used now. These were used earlier, and this VBA, that is Visual Basic Applications, this is mostly used now after Excel 5. So moving on to the next question. So you can also see here that macros are used for iterating over a group of tasks. Users can create macros for their customized repetitive functions and instructions. Macros can be either written or recorded depending on the user. So our last question of today, which of the following statement is true? The substitute. Okay, this question is also from MS Excel application. Statement A, the substitute function substitutes one or more instances of old text with a new text in a string. Statement B, the replace function swaps part of the text string with another set of text. This is a hard question, tougher level. So you have to tell that do you know about the basics of MS Excel. If you don't know, you can comment in the comment box. We can make a separate video about MS Excel, Word and PowerPoint. Okay. So the right answer is both. Both the statements are true. Okay, if we see the substitute function, let us suppose there is this thing Guru 99, Guru 99. So if we apply this syntax, substitute, so you can see that here this is A2. A2 is text. Okay, this is the A2 means this is the column level, column number, and 9 is old text, means this one, and this is new text, 8 is new text, and this is instance number is 1. You can see that in Guru 99, 9 which 9 will be converted to the 8 at the position number 1. So the position number 1 is this one, 9. So this has been converted to 8. Similarly, if we change the instance number as 2, so the position number, so this will also change to 8. And if we left the instance number all position, then nothing will be happened. Okay. And if we see the replace, similarly in replace, in Guru 99, 5 is the position number, so 5 is this, and 1 is number of characters, so this is only telling about this character. This will be replaced by 00, so it has been replaced by 00. If you don't know about basics of MS Excel, Word or any other applications, you can comment in our comment box. We can make a separate video for you. So thanks for watching. Please share your feedback and suggestions at hi@lightmode.in. And I have one request to you, that you can press the bell button in front of our subscription, and kindly share this video to your friends so that we can go live. I should tell you that for live feature there we need at least 1000+ subscriber, and so we need your supports. Okay, so kindly share with your friends. Bye.